Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Welcome and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. Hey there, cookie lovers. Today we're going to make fun and delicious twist on a Sesame Street favorite. It's time to make the Oscar the Grouch cookies. So grab your mixing bowls and get ready to whip up some Oscar the Grouch cookies. So if you could please give me a like and also subscribe on your way in, I really do appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for helping me get to 760 subscribers. We're only 240 subscribers away from 1,000. So I know we can do it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here is everything you will need. So go ahead and take a screenshot, and I'll also have it listed down below. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and preheat our oven to 350, and we're going to let this preheat. So you want to empty a whole pack of white cake box mix. You can use whatever brand you want. I'm using Betty Crocker, but you want to use the white cake mix. Make sure you get white. Now we're going to add 2 large eggs. Now we're going to add about a half a cup of vegetable oil. Now we're going to add some drops of our green food coloring. Now we're going to give everything a good stir. Now this is the fun part. You can add whatever mixings you want to add in the inside. So I'm going in with some white chocolate chips, some dark chocolate chips, I'm also going to be breaking up some Oreo cookies, next I'll be going in with some Chip Ahoy cookies. Now we're going to stir everything up till it's well combined. Now I lined a cookie sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm using my little cookie scooper and getting about a scoop of the dough, and we're just going to add it onto the tray. Now we're going to go ahead and put our cookies in the oven, and we're going to cook them for about 15 minutes. So go ahead and set that timer and go on and sit down somewhere. So here go the finished look of our cookies. And y'all, they came out so good, so soft. Y'all gotta try these. Let me know what you guys think about these cookies. If you guys try them, leave it down in the comment section below if you guys want to bake them. Until next time, you guys, I do appreciate you guys' support. Y'all stay safe out there. Until the next video, you guys, peace.